If your blush doesn't match with your vibe, it's a big red flag. From budget to bougie, here are my top 5 blushes. So we're gonna start with the first one right here. This is the Swiss Beauty ka Chick It Up blush in the shade 042 Cheeky, and it's a stick blush. Great pigment, affordable range, blends very easily. Give you that blush कि आपने अभी आपके crush को देख लिया. Okay, so the next one is right here. This is the Glam Stack 3-in-1 from Rene Cosmetics. Such a pretty blush. It comes with 3 shades. So this blush is very budget friendly, travel friendly. You can keep it in your bag every day. Great pigment. One is this one. This is everyday blush. Like अगर आपको natural एकदम nude look चाहिए हो तो this one is a great option. Okay, so the second one is this one, slightly darker than the first one, and the last one is this one, slightly maroon. इसको festive occasions पे या फिर wedding पे या छोटे मोटे events पे you can wear it. So this is creamy. This is pigmented in a budget. So the only thing is it's broken from the joint area. इसका product packaging quality है which is not that good. Again, it comes with a mirror as well, so great deal if you are not clumsy like me, so you can keep it. Great product. So let's move on to the next one right here. Look at this beauty. This blush is from Tipsy Beauty, and I bought this just because it has a rose in it. Like, look at this. This is so freaking pretty, and the pigment is very good. It gives you that natural pinky kind of rosy flushy look, and again, it's a creamy blush. It's not a matte powder form blush, as you can see that. The pigment is right here. Wow. So for everyday natural look, this blush is a solid yes from me. So these 3 on the budget side. Now let's talk about the bougie one. The first one is this from Huda Beauty. इसको मैंने इतना यूज किया है कि इसके ऊपर का हुडा भी अभी ना मिटने आया हुआ है, इस बॉटल की आप हालत देखो. But this blush is so good. Like everyday आपको रोजी फ्लशी लुक चाहिए हो and किसी को पता भी ना चले that you are wearing a blush, this is something that you can get your hands on. Like, look at this. Again, it's creamy, and I don't know how much camera doing justice with this color, but this is very peachy color. So recently I shopped a lot from Myntra, and they sent me this Huda Beauty का tester pack, and इसमें ना इस तरफ जो है वो सारी blush की range है. Then I used from their tester their color corrector range in the shade peach, medium to tan. So I thought, oh my god, this is such a pretty color and this gives me very natural look. And then I saw this one. Guys, this is Perky Peach, like the same shade which I use every day, and this gives me the most natural look. Like if you want to go for the bougie products, go with this one. If you want everyday natural look. Okay, so let's move on to the next bougie one. This is the Bobbi Brown Tule creamy blush, and oh my god, this gives you the HD makeup look. Like थोड़ा सा tint इसका and थोड़ा सा. So you just need to use only this much amount of this blush and you done. Like, oh my god, this blends like magic. Wow. So these are my top 5 blushes that actually make it to my face. If you want the link, comment down below. See you in the next one. Bye.